that's an engine. RX-7, NSX, Nissan Skyline. Look at the tip on that. And another Type R. Wow. Look at that Type R. Wow, look at that wing. There's a Supra here. Oh, that's a Tesla, wow. Bag Tesla, wow. Another Tesla. Cadillac CTSV or the Corvette engine. Imagine the power that puts out. Wow. And then there's a Terminator also. Lexus S2000, NSX, RX-7. Oh, look at the little Miata. Wow, that is low. Look at that car. Look at this chameleon Volkswagen. It's a Volkswagen. That oh, Liberty, no, Raw bigger. Seats, RWB, Volkswagen, wide body Genesis coupe. Oh, look at the fitment on that. All the way from Toronto. All the way to Montreal. This one's always in the shows too. Oh, ooh, that's a gorgeous kit on that GTR. NSX. Oh, I love that interior. Oh, check out that window tint. Nice job. Genesis coupe. Oh, look at that. Stinger. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at this delicious salad. Pizzeria number 900. Look at that. Wow. Look at that calzone. Look at that calzone in that car. Wow.